Hey friends of the twins, welcome back to the channel. This is Rhonda, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a refresh here in the living room for the summer. I have this cabinet here and it is real solid wood. I actually got it from Shonda some years ago. I do like it, but over the years it has, it's just showing a couple of signs of wear and tear. So I thought that I would give it a mini makeover also. The first thing I'm doing here is I'm just going to go ahead and start with my wood filler. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the already existing holes for the cabinet handles because I really don't think that I'm going to be going back with that same look. The changes that I'm going to be making is nothing that is going to be all that drastic. It's actually just going to be subtle changes. I am going to go ahead and give it a fresh coat of black paint. The black paint has been on this cabinet now maybe about 4 or 5 months. Before then it was actually an off-white color. And then after that I'm going to go ahead and change out the handles, and I think that'll give me, the refresh that I'm looking for, kind of update it a little bit. The paint job on this cabinet actually wasn't all that bad at all. Like I said, it's only been black maybe about 4 or 5 months. But I figured that since we're going to be changing out the handles and there's going to be drilling, so since I'm going to have to paint over that area, I might as well just go ahead and refresh the entire cabinet. Here are the new door pulls that I'm going to have Shuggy put on for me today. I shared these with y'all not too long ago. I did a refresh on I added actually some new nightstands in my bedroom, and I changed out the handles on those to these. These are really long. I forget how many. I think they're 8 inches long. Yeah, but I actually picked these up at a place. It's called Black Friday deals. That is the Amazon returns, and I've had these for a couple of months. I had a box of them. I think that there were 10 in the box, and friends of the twins, I only paid $4 for all 10 of them. So I am just making use of these. These are longer than the ones that were on this cabinet, and I think that they are going to be a nice complement. When you're totally changing out the handles on a cabinet and you're going to be putting them in an entire new space, you only get one shot. So Shuggy is sure to take his time and measure, then measure again before he decides to go ahead and make that initial drill. And that's why I enjoy having Shuggy help me with different projects around the house, because he's very thorough. He does not like to be rushed. I don't rush him anyway. But he has just a particular way that he likes to do things, and he's always going to improve on the process. Even if we have something and it comes with the instructions, if he feels like he can improve on it, he always does that. And so this is a result, and I am really, really loving it. He did a phenomenal job. Friends of the twins, if you have a piece of furniture that you're kind of getting tired of and you're starting to feel like you might want something new, especially if it's a solid wood piece of furniture, then just try painting it first, changing out handles, adding some decorative elements. There are all kinds of things that you can do, such as stenciling, freehand. You can add some gold leafing. I would just try a lot of different things before I actually me before I actually probably spent the money, especially these days. I would just let my creative juices kind of flow a little bit. And speaking of creative juices, I shared these beautiful green stems with you all in a haul video about 2 days ago. I picked these up at Burlington and they only had 2 of them. And so I'm just going to take these 2 and add to them some stems that I already have and kind of give myself a refresh on a floral arrangement. Friends of the Twins, I typically decorate on a feeling. And what I mean by that is the feeling that I want to have when I walk into a room. So here in the living room for the summer, the feeling that I want to get when I walk into this room is light, airy, fresh, and clean. That's typically how it all starts. I will have in my head a certain kind of feeling that I want to get. And then from there, the next thing is I'll stumble and fumble upon my inspiration piece. And in this case, it was in fact the green floral stems. As we take a look here at the coffee table, some of you might remember the white and gold lidded jar that I shared with you in my haul from Burlington the other day. It was actually $7.99. And y'all, please forgive me if I sound a little nasally at times. I am getting over a cold. So the candle holders that are there on the coffee table, those are some that I had already. Actually, nothing else was new there on the coffee table. I did spray paint those candle holders though, and I used a French cream spray paint. As we take a look here at the cabinet area, so you saw me put together the floral arrangement, and these are the 2 statuaries that I picked up from Burlington and shared with y'all the other day in the haul also. And what made me choose these is they actually reminded me of some bookends that I kind of had my eyes on. When I saw these, I thought that they were really pretty. I love the leaf design of them, and then they're sitting on that marble base. So they kind of accent very nicely with this vase or vessel that I picked up from Home Goods. I've had it for some months now. I got it late last year sometimes. But the statuaries ended up being the right scale to accompany that vase and that floral arrangement. So I'm really enjoying how that came out. Everything is kind of flowing nicely with my new wallpaper. If you did not see my video, I actually have a dedicated video on this wallpaper with, myself and Sugar putting it up. It is called Birds Watching, and I have really been enjoying it. So I think that, here in the living room, that everything is just kind of flowing nicely, exactly as I want it to. There will be other tweaks that I'm going to make. I am actually taking my time though. I want to have some kind of accent wall here in the living room, but I can't really decide if it's going to be the TV wall or the wall with the mirrors on it. So I'm just going to take my time though. I'm just going to take my time and figure it all out, and then of course I will share that with you all. I really had a good time playing around with the accent pieces, like The coffee table look is something new that I haven't had before. Just those little things that are sitting around. I just enjoy it. I had a good time just playing with that. Y'all know that decorating calms me, and it gives me a sense of peace. And I know that there are other friends of the twins, our decor lovers, that understand me when I say that. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So it took me about 2 days to get the living room put back together, get everything cleaned, vacuumed, wiped down, all of the mirrors dusted, all of that. But I had such a good time. So light, airy, fresh, and clean. I'm feeling like I was able to meet my goal. When we look here in the corner, I did pick up this beautiful painting. Y'all, there was just something about it. There was something about this painting when I went to Burlington. I walked past it and I came back to it and I stopped and I looked again. I walked past it. Then I went back, and so I said, you know what? They had it marked down to $20 and I want to say 49 cents, something like that. It was on clearance. I went ahead and got it, and I knew that I wanted it to go here in this room. I think it's just such a beautiful piece, and with the hydrangea that's on it, it is perfect for the spring, for summer, and it'll take me right on into the fall. It's just one of those things that kind of spoke to me. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing the refresh, friends of the twins. As always, you make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.